Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Coinbase. First, open the Revolut app, tap crypto at the bottom, and select send. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send. Example, USDT, and select the network. Example, Ethereum. Next, open Coinbase, tap Transfer, then Receive Crypto. Select the same cryptocurrency and copy your wallet address. Make sure the network matches the one selected in Revolut. Go back to Revolut, paste the Coinbase wallet address, and tap Continue. Select the amount to send, tap Review Transfer, and then Confirm. Wait for the transaction to complete. And that's it. Your crypto is now in Coinbase, and the timing depends on the network and crypto you use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.